let's look at a poem from Siri Kannada grade 10. The name of this poem is Sankalpa Geete and it is written by G.S. Shivarudrappa. Sankalpa means determination or resolve and Geete means song. So, a song of determination or a song of resolve is the meaning of Sankalpa Geete. So, here the poet talks about determination and how there should be positive attitude in life. No matter what the challenges we face, success is achieved when one acts with self-confidence and determination. So if there is a firm resolve, nothing is impossible. So that's what the poem also implies, that if we work with determination, then we can achieve whatever we dream or wish for. So now let's look at the poem. This is the first paragraph. ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕವಿಯುವ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಹಣತೆ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ, ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಯ್ದಾಡುವ ಹಡಗನು ಎಚ್ಚರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸೋಣ. So now just first two lines we see. ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕವಿಯುವ. ಸುತ್ತಲೂ means something which is surrounded. ಕತ್ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ, in the darkness. So the darkness that has surrounded us. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಹಣತೆ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ. Priti is love, Hanate is lamp, and Hachona is let's light. So let's light the lamp of love. So what it means is, when we are surrounded by darkness. Here, darkness doesn't literally mean darkness. It also means pain or ignorance or sadness. So that is the meaning here when you say darkness. It can mean ignorance or sadness. So in such a circumstance, we have to light the lamp of love. So that's the first two lines. Let's light the lamp of love when darkness surrounds us. And here darkness can mean ignorance and sadness. Now next two lines. ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಯ್ದಾಡುವ ಹಡಗನು ಎಚ್ಚರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸೋಣ. ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ means a storm. ಹೊಯ್ದಾಡು, say, a ship which is sailing in storm. ಎಚ್ಚರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸೋಣ. ಎಚ್ಚರ means cautiously. ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸೋಣ, move it forward. So let's move the ship forward which is sailing through a storm. So the meaning is, let's lead the ship forward when it sails through the storm. Here storm can be considered as difficult times. Now let's move on to the second paragraph. ಕಲುಷಿತವಾದಿ ನದಿ ಜಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂಗಾರಿನ ಮಳೆಯಾಗೋಣ, ಬರಡಾಗಿರುವಿ ಕಾಡು ಮೇಡುಗಳ ವಸಂತವಾಗುತ್ತ ಮುಟ್ಟೋಣ. So again let's look at the first two lines. ಕಲುಷಿತವಾದಿ ನದಿ ಜಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂಗಾರಿನ ಮಳೆಯಾಗೋಣ. ಕಲುಷಿತ means polluted. ನದಿ ಜಲ, so the rivers, the water of the river which is polluted. ಮುಂಗಾರಿನ ಮಳೆಯಾಗೋಣ. ಮುಂಗಾರು is like monsoon. Let's be the monsoon rain. So, let's be the monsoon rain for the polluted rivers. That's the meaning. Here, polluted rivers can be considered as hate, jealousy, selfishness, etc. So, these are all the bad characteristics. So, let us wash away all these bad characteristics. Then, ಬರಡಾಗಿರುವಿ ಕಾಡು ಮೇಡುಗಳು ವಸಂತವಾಗುತ್ತ ಮುಟ್ಟೋಣ. Baradu means which has become barren, where nothing can grow. Kaadu Medu, the forests and hills have become barren. And Vasanta Vaguta Muttona. Vasanta is spring. Spring is what? Spring season is the one where new life sprouts. Alright? So let's become the spring that touches the barren forests and hills. So barren here is considered as something that is lifeless and having no hope. So Vasanta is the spring season, right? So spring season brings in new life. So let's become that spring season and touch all the forests and hills which have become lifeless. Now moving on to the next paragraph, paragraph 3. ಬಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆಗಳ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ, ಮನುಜರ ನಡುವಣ ಅಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಕೆಡವುತ ಸೇತುವೆಯಾಗೋಣ. So ಬಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆಗಳ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ. ಬಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು means something that has fallen down. ಮೇಲೆಬ್ಬಿಸಿ is lift it up. ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ is to make it stand upright. Something which has fallen down, you lift it up and make it stand upright. ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆಗಳ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ. ಹೊಸ is new and ಭರವಸೆ is hopes. ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ is let's build. So let's build new hopes into something that has fallen down. Let us lift it, let us make it stand upright, and let us build new hopes into something that has fallen down. So here fallen can be considered as people who are less fortunate or poor or helpless. So let us be new hope for them and help them build their life. Then ಮನುಜರ ನಡುವಣ ಅಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಕೆಡವುತ ಸೇತುವೆಯಾಗೋಣ. ಮನುಜರು means humans. ನಡುವಣ in between humans. ಅಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೆ, there are a lot of barriers in between humans. ಕೆಡವು means knock it down. Let us knock down the barriers and let us become the bridge. ಸೇತುವೆಯಾಗೋಣ means let us become the bridge. So let's become the bridge between humans and knock down the barriers. So here barriers can be considered as differences based on ego, status, religion, etc. Now the next paragraph. ಮತಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಪಥಗಳು ಎನ್ನುವ ಹೊಸ ಎಚ್ಚರದೊಳು ಬದುಕೋಣ. ಭಯ ಸಂಶಯದೊಳು ಕಂದಿದ ಕಣ್ಣೊಳು ನಾಳಿನ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮತಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಪಥಗಳು ಎನ್ನುವ ಹೊಸ ಎಚ್ಚರದೊಳು ಬದುಕೋಣ. ಮತಗಳು, ಮತ means all religions. ಪಥ is path. ಹೊಸ is new, ಎಚ್ಚರ is vigil or caution, and ಬದುಕೋಣ is let's live. So let's live with a new vigil or new caution that all religions lead to the same path. So when we believe that all religions lead to the same path, then we will not fight amongst ourselves based on religious beliefs. Then ಭಯ ಸಂಶಯದೊಳು ಕಂದಿದ ಕಣ್ಣೊಳು ನಾಳಿನ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತೋಣ. ಭಯ is fear, samshaya is doubt. ಕಂದಿದ ಕಣ್ಣೊಳು, our eyes are blurred with fear and doubt. ನಾಳಿನ ಕನಸು, ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow, ಕನಸು is dreams, ಬಿತ್ತೋಣ is to sow. Let's sow the seeds of tomorrow by removing the blurred vision of fear and doubt. So let's get over the blurred vision of fear and doubt and sow the seeds of hope and positivity and dream for a better tomorrow or better future. So this is Sankalpa Geete.